Hi everyone, and welcome to Titan's Impact 740 and 1040 fluid section replacement video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace the fluid section on your Impact 740 or 1040 sprayer. This video is not a substitute for reading the manual. Consult the manual for additional details. Before replacing the fluid section on your sprayer, remember to perform the pressure relief procedure. For a complete walkthrough of the procedure, check out the Impact Series Setup and Startup video. Start by removing the front 4 cover screws, then turn the sprayer on. Now you'll need to set your sprayer's piston in its lowest stroke position using the following steps. To start, slowly turn the pressure control knob clockwise until the piston begins to move. Once the piston reaches the lowest stroke position, turn the pressure control knob counterclockwise to stop the piston movement. Turn off the pump and unplug the machine. Separate the return line from the siphon tube by removing the metal clamp. Loosen and remove the siphon tube assembly using a wrench. These sprayers do not have a tilt-back cart, so this is necessary in order to gain enough clearance to remove the fluid section. Loosen and remove the high pressure line from the rear of the fluid section. For both units, this will require the use of a wrench. If you're servicing the Impact 740 sprayer, use a soft-faced hammer and tap the locking nut on the fluid section to loosen it. Then, rotate the fluid section counterclockwise until it completely unthreads from the pump housing. Loosen and remove the 2 bolts on the clamp holding the fluid section. Finally, once the fluid section is clear of the housing, slide it forward until the piston slips out of the T-slot. To install your new fluid section, reverse the steps. Thanks for watching the Impact 740-1040 fluid section replacement video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.